Hello guys, welcome back to ipinkit. My name is Ingrid and in today's video I'm going to show you a DIY to achieve your goals in 2019. If you are new to my channel, this is actually the perfect video to start looking into some of the projects that I will be doing for the next year. Also for you to get all set up to achieve every single goal that you want in 2019. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos like this. You might be wondering what is a vision board and what is the purpose of having one. I'm really big on writing down my goals. I feel like every single thing that I've been able to achieve is because I wrote down the goal many years ago. I currently have a page behind my closet that tells me every single thing that I want to achieve by the age 30, and I think this just keeps me in track to know how far I'm going with this goal or if there's something that I should be working on to get to it. However, the vision board is more fun than a piece of paper, of course, because you can hang it in your bedroom to remind yourself of all the things that you want to be able to achieve within the year. As usual, let me show you the supplies I'm going to be using for this project. I have to remind you, this is all about creativity, so I'm going to show you the essential ones and then you need to feel free to add whichever supply you might want to include in your vision board. Alright, we obviously need a board, push pins of course, I had to get them in pink. You're going to need a few supplies to make it more fun and decorate, so I ended up getting a paper pad. These are actually pretty cheap, they are less than $5 and they have so many colors. Magazines, I actually get these ones for free, so it's not going to hurt to cut them. We're going to need a notepad so we can write the goals that we want to be able to achieve within the next year. Of course, we're going to need markers and a pen. Just in case, I'm going to have my hot glue, but I'm also going to need regular glue, scissors, and then a craft knife. I feel like the craft knife is just so much easier to cut things, but you can easily use the scissors. I also have this old agenda that has some stickers in the back and it has some colorful pages that I can use within my vision board. And the last final thing, a ruler. The most important step is to write down your goals. I think one of the biggest ones that I want to be able to accomplish this year is to speak at a charity or a motivational event, so I'm gonna write that down. I think another one is to continue my French classes. I feel like I haven't taken classes in 6 months, so I'm just gonna write that down and hopefully I start in January. Another one I had is to visit Asia. I really want to go to Bali and Singapore, so let's write that down. The second step is to find the visuals in a magazine. Magazines are really great because I really like the quality of the paper. However, if you don't have any magazines, you can easily download every single image from the internet. You guys, I really like this picture. I think it's gonna be great for Bali. Now all you need to do is to continue to look for all the images to complete your goals. Hey guys, so I'm happy to report I was able to find a lot of the visuals from the magazines. I actually looked at over 10 magazines and this was super entertaining because I was able to find captions that I wasn't considering using before, like the beauty of believing, which I really like. I found a few ones that I will show you soon, but other than that, if you don't have the time or you don't have magazines, you can just download everything from the internet. The third step is to arrange every single image that you got into your visual board. So here's where you have to decide whether you just want to put the images that you got from the magazine or if you would like to be a little more creative and maybe adding an extra background from the paper pad. The first goal was to speak at a charity event or a motivational event. I found this picture of Ali Reisman that I really like. I'm just gonna place it on the board, but then I'm gonna figure out how am I going to organize it. The second one was to start French classes. I actually found two pictures for this. This is from a perfume, but it says life is beautiful, and also this other one that says passport to Paris. I really liked that. I was thinking of just doing something along those lines and maybe cutting it a bit so that way it will show the phrase in French. Alright, the third one was to travel to Bali or Singapore. For that, you already knew that I was going with this picture. Fourth one is to raise funds to a charity event. I actually couldn't find anything in a magazine, so I just downloaded a picture of Bill and Melinda Gates from the internet. For those who don't know, I admire this couple so much, and I just think that it's amazing to be able to put them in my vision board, because you never know if you're gonna end up being this big and being able to contribute and help the world like they are doing, so why not? Alright, so whose chick parties it is? The next goal was to go to the gym. Alright, next one was the swipe up feature. I couldn't find a picture of a 10K, but I found this one that was very cute. It says 100%, and then these two guys being creative, and also this other tiny picture that says share your kind comments on Instagram made someone's day better. I really liked it, so I'm just gonna use them, and we're aspiring for 10K, but we'll see how that goes. Next one was to read a book once a month. This was so difficult, guys. Magazines don't actually have a lot of pictures of books, but I was able to find this one. Alright, the next one was to take a Euro trip with my friend Anam. I found this really cute picture of these two girls kayaking in Iceland. I don't know exactly where in Europe we're gonna go, but this one seems pretty nice. And then the last goal that I shared with you was to get a local mentor. Oprah is not local, she is such an inspiration, so if I can find someone like her over here will be ideal. We're just gonna place her in my board. This one is a girl getting a hairstyle. I'm gonna include it for Alpha Crew Studio because we have some milestones that we want to be able to achieve with this project, so we're just gonna put it here in the corner. And then the other one, this is actually a combined one. As you can see, this whole bedroom is fully pink, so I'm using this one for ipinkit because I have a few milestones that I will be able to reach this year with this project too. And also combined because I really want to redecorate my bedroom, and I'm not aiming for something as pink as this, but something within these lines will be okay, so we're just gonna add it in the other corner. Alright, I'm gonna play a little bit with this, and as soon as I have it organized, I'm going to show you. And this is how I'm envisioning this vision board. I actually added backgrounds from the notepad I showed you earlier, and I went ahead and also add backgrounds from the old agenda. I still had to make a few adjustments. For example, this one, it says hello darling, but I went ahead and covered it, and I'm just gonna put explore on top, and then I'm gonna go ahead and write Bali and Singapore rather than using this picture. Okay guys, now that I've glued everything together, all I have to do is add the push pins. For that, I got these pink ones. You might be wondering, why am I using push pins rather than glue? And the reason is that every time you accomplish one of those goals, you can actually remove it and replace it with a picture of yourself doing that goal that you were dreaming you'll be able to accomplish this year. Alright, as you can see, I'm just missing the signs from the top, and those I'm actually gonna go ahead and glue them with hot glue. And let me actually show you how it looks. Hey guys, and that's the end of today's project. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Hopefully this is going to encourage you to make your own vision board for 2019. If you do, tag me on Instagram or leave some pictures in the comments. I want to see them. As usual, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you would like to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the year, and I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's if I don't post anything within the remaining weeks of the month. Hope you guys have a good week. Bye!